Morning everyone, my name is Shivani and wish you all the very happy Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a festival which is dedicated to all Gurus. A Guru not only teaches and gives you the knowledge but also shows the right path to live a life. We should always obey and respect all gurus and teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.